On the tactile keyboard, you will see the F for Fix key. This allows you to hold a PLU or tear onto the display. T for tear allows you to deduct the weight of packaging against your product. The 0 resets an out of balance scale. You have your numeric keypad for entering a PLU number. The small return key, which allows you to enter a line in manager mode. The function button, which allows you to access extra user functions. And the C for clear button, which allows you to clear text in manager mode. In the top left-hand corner, you will see the scale type and the department the scale is set to. The main keyboard will consist of PLUs in red rectangles and header groups in green rectangles. You will see the weight box, the current mode of the scale, and the PLU entry box. You will also see the networking bar, which will give you the date and time and scale information. Before you start, we recommend you make sure your scale has been zeroed. To do this, press the 0 button when no weight is on the pan. If you find your scale underweighing, pressing 0 again will rectify this. If you do not know your product number, pressing Find PLU will bring your product list up. You can then search within the department using the directional arrows. You can type in a full or part description of the product you're looking for. Once highlighted, pressing tick will allow you to trade the product. You can also change the size of the font. And if you wish, you can switch to numeric view, which allows you to search in PLU number order. Choose your weighed item. Any information that's assigned to the product will show now. When the product's on the pan and the weight is steady, press print. For non-weighed items, you can call up the product, change the quantity. You may also choose more than one label, followed by print. To deduct the weight of your packaging, put your empty container onto the scale and press T for tear. You can then remove your empty container, replace it with your full container, call up the product and press print. If you wish to rewrap a product, call the product onto the screen and press Rewrap. Using the arrows will allow you to select the information to change, in this case date 1. When you've changed the date, press tick. You can then print your product. To change your price, call up the product and press Price Change. Enter your new price and press the tick key. The product will remain at this price until you change it back again. To do this, call up the product, press Price Change and choose Reset Price. To apply a discount to an item, pull the product up and press Discount. Choose the discount you require. The price should change accordingly. You may then print your label. To enter PrePack mode, choose the mode of the scale, followed by Print mode, PrePack, and tick. Once in PrePack mode, you can call your weighed product onto the screen, place your weight on the pan, and a ticket will print automatically. Every time you register a new weight, you will receive a new ticket. To exit the product, press X. For non-weighed items, choosing the number of labels will allow you to print off multiple labels for the product. To exit PrePack, choose the label mode, print mode, print on request, followed by the tick key. If you wish to print traceability information, select your product. To add new scheme information, click New. You may then choose to edit the lot number, entering the reference number of your animal, once completed, press the tick key. You will then be led to the next question, in this case the type, whether it's wild or farmed, and the last question, where the animal was caught. Using the arrows you can search through the list, or alternatively clicking the ABC will allow you to search alphabetically. You may then enter a part description. Once you have entered this information, you can press Save. Pressing the tick key now will pull the product onto the screen for you to print. Should you have another product that uses the same information, pulling up that product will allow you to choose at scheme level either information that already exists or allow you to enter new information. If you choose an item like beef, you may wish to have more information in your scheme. In this example, we have a lot more questions to answer. This all can be tailored using MX SBT or MX Tool.